Broskie boys, we are going to do an IKEA video. Wait. What? So, Broskie boys, we're here. Here is IKEA.
Card?
Just going around here and stuff like that.
Oh, the pool.
Yeah. Oh, looks good.
Bili din tayo na nagsapin sa table.
So, these are the things. And it's time to fast forward walk. So, here's the Swedish cafe. Woohoo! This looks pretty cool. They have lots of stuff. We got all our plates. This is how you fill your drinks in IKEA. The cup pushes this, and this makes the orange juice come out.
How about you, Ayan? What is your favorite?
Is this strawberry? What's going to be this strawberry?
Sa Lincoln Berry Juice.
I don't like lingonberry. There's lots of donuts. So this one I'm getting chicken club sandwich. These are some cinnamon rolls for us. And if you're going to IKEA, then please read this. Pause to read.
Yes.
I'm getting that. Check out. So far we've got, I think there are mushrooms, scrambled eggs, chicken sausage, some hash browns, and beef bacon. The mini beef sausages, chicken club sandwich, 2 orange juice, this thing, that thing, whatever you call that, that, and that. And that's it. So, yeah, this is the drink section. And here's all the food. Right about here. Chicken club sandwich, whatever those are.
Ayan, get some utensils. Spoon and fork. Okay? 3 set.
Why?
3 set of spoon and fork.
Alright.
And also...
So I need to get some stuff,
Ayun naman ko.
some cutlery so we can actually eat.
Kapag ganito yung kanina, di ba?
And the cinnamon roll.
Ito sa akin.
It's all my food. So, appetizer, main course, and that's it. And Broskie boys. Sa food. And yeah. Yeah. So Broskie boys will finish the rest. That's it for today. Broskie boys out. By the way, Ken and Amir are not in the video because I had to upload school.
Did you find the 4 hidden letters? Spelling a word? It was the word, like. Thanks for watching.